Hello, nature enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore 7 of our planet's rarest and most intriguing creatures. These animals are so mysterious and fascinating that you might doubt they really exist. Get ready to dive into stories of survival, discovery, and mystery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our incredible content. Let's go. Number 1. Saola, the Asian unicorn. The Saola, known as the unicorn of Asia, is one of the rarest and least seen mammals in the world. Discovered only in 1992 along the Vietnam-Laos border, this fascinating creature has long, straight horns, which resemble those of an antelope and give it a mythical appearance. The Saola is so elusive that very few photographs of it exist, and its entire existence is almost as mysterious as that of the legendary creatures. Living in the dense, mountainous forests of the Annamite Range, the Saola has a habitat that is difficult to access, complicating conservation efforts. This isolated environment has helped keep Saola safe from direct human contact for a long time, but it also makes scientific research difficult. Without a clear understanding of its ecology and behavior, saving Saola from extinction is an even greater challenge for conservationists. The main threat to Saola's survival are traps aimed at other animals, such as deer and wild boar, which are abundant in its region. Despite ongoing efforts to remove these traps and protect their habitat, Saola's future remains uncertain. The combination of its rarity, seclusion, and increasing human pressures on its natural environment makes Saola a true enigma of modern conservation. Number 2. Yangtze River dolphin. The Yangtze River dolphin, or belie, was once a common presence in the waters of the world's 3rd largest river in China. This freshwater dolphin was known for its ability to navigate the murky river waters, using echolocation to find food and avoid obstacles. Unfortunately, the belie was declared functionally extinct in 2006, a devastating loss to aquatic biodiversity. The extinction of the belie is a grim testament to the human consequences on natural ecosystems. Industrialization along the Yangtze River has led to a significant increase in water pollution, which has deteriorated the belie's habitat. Furthermore, heavy boat traffic and overfishing contributed to their demise, demonstrating how human activities can directly impact the existence of entire species. Although it is too late for belie, its story serves as a crucial wake-up call for the conservation of other threatened aquatic species. Research and conservation initiatives are now focused on learning from the belie's tragic fate to protect other at-risk species in the world's rivers. Belie's memory reminds us of the urgency to act to preserve nature's living treasures before it is too late. Number 3. Kakapo. The kakapo is a nocturnal parrot from New Zealand that is the only parrot in the world known to be unable to fly. With its soft feathers adapted for camouflage rather than flight, the kakapo has evolved in ways that distinguish it from any other parrot species. With a life expectancy that can exceed 90 years, the kakapo has a unique approach to reproduction, only mating every 2 to 4 years when the rimu trees are in abundant fruiting. Historically, the kakapo was common on all of New Zealand's main islands, but its population suffered a drastic decline following the arrival of humans and predatory mammals such as rats and ferrets. This bird, which once roamed the forest in large numbers, is now on the brink of extinction, with fewer than 250 individuals remaining. Intensive conservation programs, such as predator removal and habitat management, have been vital to maintaining hopes for their survival. Interestingly, the kakapo has a strong, sweet, herbaceous scent that is used to attract mates, but which ironically can also make it easier for predators to locate it. Despite its challenges, the kakapo is a symbol of conservation in New Zealand, highlighting ongoing efforts to preserve a species that is a true national treasure, and whose loss would be an inestimable blow to global biodiversity. Number 4. Vakita. The vakita is the most endangered marine mammal in the world, found exclusively in the northern Gulf of California, Mexico. This little porpoise has a distinctly marked face with dark spots around the eyes and lips, which gives it an almost permanent smiling expression. With less than 30 individuals remaining, the vakita is on the brink of extinction, with its population rapidly decreasing due to human factors. The main threat to the vakita comes from illegal fishing nets used to capture another fish, the totoaba, whose bladder is highly valued in traditional Chinese medicine. Vakitas become entangled in these nets, and, unable to reach the surface to breathe, many end up dying. Despite government and international efforts to ban these nets and protect the vakita's habitat, enforcing these measures has been a constant challenge. Conservationists and scientists are working around the clock to develop methods that can protect the vakita without harming local fishing communities. Projects such as the use of safer fishing nets and strengthening maritime patrols are vital. The vakita's fight for survival is not just a matter of conserving a species, but an example of the need to balance human needs with the preservation of biodiversity. Number 5. Naked mole rat. The naked mole rat, a creature that draws attention not only for its distinctive appearance, but also for its incredible biological adaptations. This subterranean rodent, found in East Africa, is notable for its longevity, living up to 30 years, something extremely rare among rodents. Furthermore, it is virtually immune to cancer, a phenomenon that has fascinated scientists and offered hope for new medical research. Living in complex underground tunnel systems, naked mole rats have a unique social structure that resembles that of eusocial insects like bees and ants. They live in colonies with a dominant queen, the only female that reproduces, while the other members of the colony have specific roles, such as workers or soldiers, protecting the colony and foraging for food. The naked mole rat's skin is another of its distinguishing features, providing it with resistance to many types of injuries and infections that would be fatal to other rodents. Its ability to survive in low-oxygen environments also defies scientific understanding, making this animal a fascinating object of study in terms of evolution and adaptation. Number 6. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon, resident on the islands of Indonesia, is the largest lizard in the world, reaching up to 3 meters in length and weighing around 70 kilograms. These impressive reptiles are known for their strength, speed, and hunting abilities, which include a venomous bite that can quickly debilitate their prey, an evolutionary ability that disproves ancient beliefs that their bacterial saliva alone was lethal. The Komodo dragon's habitat is limited to a handful of Indonesian volcanic islands, where they are the dominant predator. The dragon's diet is vast, ranging from birds and mammals to carcasses of larger animals. Their hunting methods, which can include ambushes, demonstrate their adaptability and intelligence, traits that make them formidable and respected by both humans and other animals in the region. Despite their fame and iconic status, Komodo dragons are facing threats due to climate change and human activities such as habitat loss and invasive tourism. Conservation efforts are underway to ensure that future generations can continue to witness the majesty of this ancient predator, whose presence is vital to the ecological health of its native environment. Number 7. Ii. The ii is a notoriously misunderstood lemur from Madagascar, often frowned upon by locals due to superstitions that consider it an omen of bad luck. This nocturnal creature is easily identifiable by its intensely large eyes, prominent ears, and an extremely long, skinny middle finger, which it uses to pluck insects from cracks in wood, a foraging technique called percussion. Biologically fascinating, the ii is a prime example of adaptive evolution. Its specialized finger not only allows it to reach larvae deeply embedded in trunks, but is also used to drum on wood and locate cavities where insects may be hiding. This unique ability makes the ii one of the few primates with a predominantly insectivorous diet. Despite its importance to Madagascar's biodiversity, the ii faces significant threats from habitat destruction and hunting, driven by local fears and myths. The conservation of this lemur is crucial, not only for maintaining the island's biodiversity, but also for scientific understanding of the primate's vast adaptive capabilities. Exploring these rare creatures helps us appreciate our planet's incredible diversity and the critical importance of conservation. Each animal that disappears is a library of secrets that closes forever. Join us in the mission to protect and preserve these wonders natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating discoveries. See you next time, and keep exploring.